Hello guys! Another day, another vlog! Ayan guys, magmumukbang kami today. Ayan, may dalawang hotdog, may chicken fillet, at saka may Argentina meatloaf. At of course, may isang baso kami dito, Coca-Cola. And there is also a pancit canton. Okay. Magmumukbang kami na kasama ko guys. Yan, fair yan ha. Sige, let's do this!